Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be creating my monthly spread for August 2021. I'm going to be using all of the gardening sticker books. So I think we'll just make this like a whole garden spread for August. So if you'd like to see what I do, keep watching. Okay, I haven't really looked at these books yet. I'm just kind of winging this as usual, but I thought it'd be fun to bring gardening, like a garden theme, into my August monthly, just for something different. I did not get my garden going this year, you guys. It is full of weeds. I said I was going to, and I didn't, but maybe I can have a garden in my planner anyway, right? So you don't have to be a gardener to use these gardening sticker books, just saying. So I don't have a lot going on for August. It's a pretty like easy month for me, and I'm hoping to get caught up with a lot of stuff around the house and at work. But so I don't have a lot of appointments or anything. I have maybe like 3 or 4 things to put down. So I'm gonna start by, should I do a habit track? Well, these aren't monthly ones though. These are weekly ones. All right, no, I'm not gonna do any. I'll do them in my weekly spreads. Okay, so there are some monthly boxes in here, and I think I'll put those down first. Wait, was it this one I saw? They're all similar, right? And I also feel like I maybe want to use chickens or vegetables or something that's just really crazy. So, I mean, you know I did that chicken spread before, though. That was a fun spread, let me tell you. One of my most fun videos, the chicken one. I thought I'd throw a couple of these down, and there's a bunch of colors in these books, and I think I'm just going to use like all the colors and not worry too much about balancing color, because when you're dealing with a lot of color, you kind of don't have to balance it as much. So the first thing I have is a dentist appointment on the 12th. I'm going to put that down here. I'm going to go ahead and write that in. I'm just going to use a tool pen, nothing major. Just going to write dentist. It's just a cleaning, and that's at 2 o'clock. Okay, and then I have a couple of birthdays. So we have Michael and Kaylee's birthday. That's my oldest set of twins, on the 20th. I won't forget that, but it's nice to write it in anyway. Just going to do birthday in cursive just to make it look different than the rest. Okay. And let me grab another one. I have a birthday on the 28th, and I'll use this one. And that's it. That's all I've got. And look, they're all in a row, which I hate. But sometimes, like when you're planning in your monthly spread, you can't really help how the boxes look if you have boxes for certain things. Like, it is what it is, right? So this is my friend Nicole's birthday. Okay, so I've got this problem here. Not a problem, but now I'm dealing with that. And I guess I'm going to have to put in more boxes on this side to sort of balance out this box look, just because I like to look at it like pretty like that. You know, I know it's kind of silly, but it makes sense to me. So I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to grab this one. And I know these don't have the cutout, but I'm going to put these somewhere. There's something on the page here, so I'm going to stick this down there, I guess. Let me cut out. Yeah. I'm just going to cut out a space for the number. Put that one there. That's crooked. We're leaving it. We're embracing imperfection today, you guys. That's okay. Been really into doing that more on my channel, because I don't want anyone to ever think their spreads have to be perfect, or that anything has to be perfect, because life isn't perfect, and that's okay. It's functional, and that's what matters, right? So I just threw those down wherever just to make it look a little more balanced. I know that's goofy, but I did it. And I'll fill these in with something later. I don't know what. Maybe there'll be something on those days. Maybe there won't. But then I could put a sticker on, or I could write the weather or whatever. So now we have to figure out what the heck we're going to do. Well, first I'm going to white this thing out over here because this is not going to match our colors at all. All right. I'll probably bring some washi tape in a little bit, but I'm thinking I want to bring in like vegetables or animals, you know, like something really different. I don't quite know how to go about it or what to do, but I'm going to figure it out. Again, we've got lots of different colors here. I'm going to bring in this one, and this has some vegetables and flowers in it. And we'll put it down here. Don't worry, I'm going to cover that white out with something. I just don't know what yet. Maybe that butterfly even. Or a flower, or some veggies. I think I want to bring in some wildflowers and maybe some fruits and vegetables. Just do a full-on, like, all sorts of stuff in this spread, right? Just, like, go crazy. I mean, why not? Let's put a chicken up there. You know how I feel about that. Let's just throw a chicken up there. This is going to be really weird, you guys. I don't have an answer for that, but let's just, like, be okay with it. And just understand that it's my spread, and like if I like it or if I hate it, that's my business, you know. I mean, you guys are watching me do it, but I don't know. And that's weird, but do you know what I mean? It's like mine, and like don't let anybody judge you for your spreads either. Like just do what you do you. If you want to put like things wacky down there that make no sense, like eggplants and whatever, like you do you. Except I'm not gonna put an eggplant down. Maybe some veggies, you know, like this is like lettuce or something. Maybe one of these guys. I'm just going to decorate a little bit. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Uh-oh. I don't know what I'm doing, really. I have no plan for this. Maybe I should have planned a little bit. A little bit. Let's throw down some onions. Why not? Okay. So we're getting into fruits and vegetables, and that's okay. Yeah, we'll do eggplant and like... Oh, and a butterfly too. Let's do a butterfly because we already have the chicken. So let's bring in a brown butterfly on the other side, and we'll kind of just make it fly around my dentist appointment. Okay, how about these and one of these guys? And we'll just put them wherever. Okay. This is weird. This is weird. This is weird. Okay, well, it's interesting. All right. So, carrot. Let's put a carrot here. Oh, man. I wonder how many of you have turned this video off by now. I wonder. I don't know. Let's take some tomatoes. I know there's some there, but let's put some more around somewhere. Let's put some with these. I know that covers the number, but that's all right. I'm sort of clustering some vegetables around. Maybe there's like a quote down here or something we could put down there, you know? Something fun. I think I'm going to get some washi. Let's do this, one of these things to do. Again, I'm not really paying attention to the color too much because there's going to be all sorts of colors in here, but it does balance that over there, so that's good. This can be like things to do this month or whatever. All right, you guys, I can't do it. I'm going to pull this off and put it back. I know I said embrace imperfection, and I do mean that, truly. But for some reason, this is driving me crazy, and I need to reposition it. There, I feel better already. Okay, let's get some washi. Here's some of this like brown, white grid washi with like brown lines. I feel like that kind of matches because it just feels natural, right? So let's put a little bit here. I don't know. Ooh, that has like something on it. And I don't use my monthly very much. I think the reason I do these mainly, if I'm being completely honest, I feel like I mainly do this to show you guys how to use it. Because, and I think I've said that before, because I mostly use the calendar on my phone for monthly stuff. Like, I don't really refer to this very often. But I know a lot of people do, and that's fine. Like, I think that's good. But like, I feel like I want to teach you how to do it if you're someone who uses your monthly spread. Even though I don't use it very much. You know what I mean? I just feel like I want to give you ideas. That's like my job, is to give you ideas. So that's kind of what I'm doing. And that's why I'm being honest and telling you I may not look at this throughout the month. But I do want to put a little list there. I don't know what I'm going to put here. I'll do something. I'm going to bring a little bit more down here just to kind of finish it off. Because a lot of you don't use phones at all to plan. I do a combination of paper and digital. And I like it that way. It's working for me, and I'm not really going to change because I like how it is. Okay, so right away I like it better. I could do like a memory planning type of spread this time. I've done that before, and that's kind of fun. I could put some lines in there. I've never actually, have I put lines in a monthly before? I don't know. Let's put some lines in and just see how that would look. Just for something a little bit different, right? I try to always switch it up in the monthlies and give you different ideas. So I'm going to put these down, and this could be, you know, for whatever you need. It could be for your memories. It could be for things you have to do, really anything. But it just gives you a place to write in a straight line, right? So if you have to write more than just like, you know, dentist appointment at 2 o'clock, then you can put it here. I don't know if I want to put it there. I guess so. Okay, and then we'll put some up here. I will say I've never looked at a spread like this before. Like, what's up with the chicken? Why did I put the chicken there? Like, what was I thinking? I just feel like I'm so random today. I don't know. I'm kind of not feeling super creative today. I'm feeling random. I think it's because I've been editing videos for like 3 days now. And I haven't been planning that much. And then maybe got out of the groove. I don't know. But it's Friday. And my brain is fried, you know. It's been a long week doing all sorts of stuff. So I think that's good with the lines. Actually, I like the lines with this. It kind of brings in a different look to the monthly spread. I don't mind that at all. And already I don't mind the spread. Like, I think it's kind of cute, even though it's so random, right? But let's put in some more vegetables, maybe down in this corner or something. Or like another animal, you know. Just sort of pull in something else to bring it together. I feel like maybe this. And oops. Maybe an apple. I don't know. Or this harvest looking thing. I feel that's more fall like though, right? Let's see. Some string beans. Those are different. Let's bring in some string beans. And then I think maybe that apple. No more chickens, you guys. Don't even think about it. We're throwing down fruit today. We are not throwing down chickens anymore. Where was that apple? Let's just grab that apple. So this one, put the apple down there. Oh, I can see the string bean through the apple. That's not cool. Uh-oh. Oh no. Well, oh wait. I was going to say we're stuck with it, but it's working. It's coming up. Whew, that was a struggle. Okay, let's just throw it down right here. All right, now there's a lot of dark colors in this area, so I need to bring maybe something up here. Something needs to go up there. So I'm thinking like maybe this, right? Just put it right there. I know that takes up that day, but like I probably not, like I said, I'm probably not going to use this month, so not really. But I'm teaching you. How about a radish? A radish. Maybe like here. And I could bring in some flowers, but like there's no flower. Well, there are a couple flowers over there actually. But there's no flowers in the rest of it, so I feel like I'm not going to do that, you know? I feel like it doesn't make much sense to bring in flowers at this time. So I don't know if I want another one of those. Figs. You guys really let me have it last time when I didn't know what these were. You're like, Mariel, and they're figs. Like, I don't know. I don't eat figs, like not in this form. Not unless we're talking fig Newtons, then maybe. I should probably be eating figs. I'm going to put it right over those lines. Okay, it's looking cute. I don't know. Like, it's just different. Like, it's just fruit and vegetables and stuff, you know? I feel like something needs to go on Wednesday. Something little, like a little box or something. Let's put this important box on Wednesday for whatever important things I have going on Wednesday. Let me take a look. I think that's cute. I think it's done. There's a lot of weird stickers on here, but I think it works. I mean, it's fun and it's different. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And let me know if you would make a vegetable monthly. You know what I mean? Like, just something fun to do for a change. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.